Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Ancestry application not working on your iPhone. If you're experiencing issues with the Ancestry application on your iPhone, then here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot. First of all, close the app completely and then reopen it again. If you are currently running the Ancestry application, simply swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone, which will bring up the app card. Now push off your app card upwards and release. This will now force close the Ancestry app, and once you've done that, the next thing to do is to go to your App Store and search for Ancestry in the search box. Now look for the Ancestry app and tap it open. In the preview page, look for an update button. If you see an update button, tap on the button to download the latest version of Ancestry application on your device. Once you have the latest version downloaded, tap on Open to open the app again, and this time you might be able to fix your issue. Also ensure that you've connected your iPhone to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you're connected to a stable internet, you might be able to fix your issue as well. If the problem still continues, consider deleting and reinstalling your Ancestry application. Once you uninstall the app, get back to your App Store and reinstall it again, and that might be able to help you fix your issue right away. So those were some of the fixes you could follow if your Ancestry application is not working on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.